What's up everyone, today's video is for those who want to stay ahead. And I am not just talking about entering a project, I am talking about understanding a trend that will reshape Web3 in the next few years. We are talking about quantum computing. This subject used to be reserved for scientists and cryptographers, but now it's on the desk of Wall Street's biggest player. The take of example, BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, recently published a report warning about quantum computing threat to Bitcoin and crypto NFTs. They clearly stated that traditional cryptography could be broken by quantum machines in the near future. So let me ask, which blockchain is truly ready for that future? The answer is Self-Frame Network. And I'm about to show you why it's really ahead and why now might be perfect time to get this. So today in this video we'll discuss Self-Frame Network. Self-Frame is a layer of blockchain designed from the ground for quantum safety, security, low cost, high throughput and real cross-chain interoperability. While other projects are still working on white paper, Self-Frame already has a fully functional minute, a native wallet and dashboard, post-quantum bridge tech and staking, masternode and real rewards. So here we are going to check some more details. Build and manage quantum safe blockchain with a Self-Frame SDK. And then here we have what is Self-Frame Network. Self-Frame is a scalable open source and next generation platform which is building and bridging blockchain services secured by post-quantum encryption. They have blockchain for massive adoption, like they believe that the next paradigm of blockchain technology is mass adoption, and the platform strives to expand the use cases associated with the blockchain technology. And then here we have some more features of fast and quantum resistant, like Self-Frame, and provides extremely high transaction throughout based on the original sharding implementation. In addition, post-quantum cryptography makes a system resistant to hacking by quantum computers, which are not far off. They have versatile blockchain solutions. They offer an environment for enterprises and developers to build in vast array of products ranging from simple low-level TDAP to whole other blockchain on top of Self-Frame Network. Okay, how is a Self-Frame Network different? So Self-Frame Network is built with a unique implementation which is a dual layer sharding and conditional transaction. This allows seamless interoperability as well as fast and economical transactions, all secured by integrated quantum safety measures. Versatile TDAP CDC, since their platform is built for scratch using plain C, DDAP built on their SDK can be exhausted on anything and enterprise level maintenance to a smart fridge at home, which enable development to build a wide range of applications. If you're looking for yield, Self-Frame offers both simple staking and LP staking with attractive APIs. So with the strides technologies making quantum computers capable for breaking into current blockchain technology will soon be on forefront. Potentially these computers will be a threat of every byte of data known to mankind. So it has integrated variable post-quantum encryption that not only supports implementation of multiple quantum resistant but also permits the network to upgrade algorithm on the fly. This enables the network to adopt any for future happening in the field of quantum computing and readers from platform proof. Okay, so let's discuss their technologies. The technology contains scalable, sustainable, decentralized, economical. The technology achieves the enterprise level scalability to scale the future of not just need to enter another cell chain. The network is environment neutral as there is no mining involved, and the TDAP is run on low level hardware, and then decentralized. The concept of TDAP is the next step towards true decentralized and economical. Unique implementation of innovative permits transaction are managed and trust, and their interoperable atomic swaps allow instant transaction with other chains. Their advanced and flexible post-quantum encryption ensures next generation safety. So here we are going to check some more details here. Okay, so here we have the maintenance statics. The Self-Frame ecosystem consists of making blockchain network, and main is the block backbone. Here you can find out the latest information on it, like blocks, transactions and validators. So we are going to check that they have 99 validators as well, and 836 865 transaction details. And here we have about team. So here we can see that they are bridged to CF20 cell. So we can see here their fund is mentioned here, vested, circulating supply, market cap, sell price, and total supply. And then here we have the team is PancakeSwap, Uniswap, Maxi, Swapzone, etc. Some of the transaction is mentioned here on Etherscan, BCScan, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, etc. Some of the recent news, their AMA transcript, their Cellframe news, blockchain, 100 validators in the Cellframe minute, and some more details. Want to keep up in the next news? You can subscribe the newsletter to hear about Cellframe updates and events. Okay, ready to buy Cellframe and get involved? So you have to click on Uniswap. So in this platform, you're going to get Uniswap. So you can buy this from Uniswap as well. So here we have the Uniswap page. So you can buy this from Uniswap. So you can buy it from PancakeSwap directly. If you want to buy from PancakeSwap, just you need to enter BNB. Then you have to convert your BNB into Cell token. And then here we have some of the Maxi chart. So you can check the graph is mentioned here. So we can see here that some of the details are mentioned here. Their market, list, price, and some of the transaction details. All thing is mentioned here. So you just need to check this. And then here we have on sell on Bitmart. So we can see the Bitmart graph of their price in USDT. Everything is mentioned here on Bitmart. While if you are in Brazil, so you can buy it from Crypto NOPEX. So just need to register, and then you can buy it from Crypto NOPEX as well. So here we can see here that we have explored Cellframe. So you can see that we have discussed Cellframe. So here the bottom line, while most projects are still in development, while most projects are still in development, Cellframe already delivered. It's quantum ready. It's accessible and it's built for future. If you are serious about Web3 and want to get hold something with long-term utility, real infrastructure and growing ecosystem, now is the time. So you can download the wallet, explore the dashboard, and you can go to the join community, and you can also go to their official website, cellframe.net. When the quantum era hits, Cellframe won't be getting ready. I'll be leading.